Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Just about 11:30 in Honolulu, 5:30 in New York. It is Monday, February 18th, 2019, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. Equities markets were closed in honor of President's Day, and the precious metals only traded through Globex, therefore had a shortened trading day. Nonetheless, the precious metals as a complex were higher across the board. Gold up $7.60, basis most active April, 1329.70. We went long, of course, last week at 1316 and change. We'll talk about that in detail when we pull up some charts. Silver, light gain today, almost 4 cents at 1578. Platinum, a very, very nominal change, 808 up $1.10. And then finally, palladium, which tends to buck almost all of the trends, that gained over $25 today and is currently sitting at $14.33. Traders, great follow through from Friday's upside surge in the precious metals. Very, very nice move in gold. Exceptional move in palladium. Gold up, as I said, about $7.60. And we are looking at it in a daily chart, but with two different fib retracements. The longer one we'll get rid of in a second when we enlarge our chart. But what's important in terms of noting is that the 0.23% retracement level, which sits at 1323, was effectively taken out in terms of the intraday high, but on a closing basis today, that very well bodes extremely well for bullish sentiment. It also tells me that there is a higher probability that we are going to shoot for this record top, this 1370, which we have seen multiple attempts, all unsuccessful. I believe that this time could be a charm. So that's why it's important. On the other side of the fence, what we can notice, especially when we just look at the smaller retracement set, which is in essence based upon this last rally. It begins just at about 1200, goes up to about 1330. What we can see is that today's high actually hit the top of that. So I will gain a lot more confidence about really striving to move towards 1370 based upon this market kind of firing right through 1331 and having this particular price point become support rather than resistance. The other thing that I'm noticing is that we're getting a widening of the moving averages, which is exactly what we want. We talked about the cross on Friday. So my sense is if we get this solid breakthrough, we immediately want to address our stop. We'll want to place it under a low, and the low that I'm looking at right now is probably going to come in at around 1310 to 1315. Roughly, I'm hoping to get it in the area of our entry price. For now, maintain your current long position, maintain your current stop. I believe this market has much more room to move to in terms of higher ground. And traders of the entire complex, palladium once again scored the greatest gain, not only in terms of price, but in terms of percentage gain, a 1.83% gain, $1,433. I still believe that there is a high probability that palladium will trade to $1,500 per ounce before backing off. As an editor's note, we do want to begin a new feature here at the Gold Forecast that I'm extremely excited about, is to, on a regular basis, hold an interactive live broadcast with you, our subscriber, to give you the opportunity to ask questions and immediately get some answers. Also to have some dialogue between all of us, the subscriber base, as well as myself. So I'm looking very, very forward to enacting this feature. However, I really need to know how many subscribers have an interest in attending these events. We'll either do it weekly or bi-monthly, twice a month. So please, if you are interested, email us at support@thegoldforecast.com, and that way we can send you login instructions and welcome you to this most exciting event. We are looking at Thursday when the markets close, and that would mean about 1 o'clock here in Honolulu, which represents 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading, and we are certainly getting that this week. Have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.